Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable developer options. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on about phone, tap here, then go down, tap on software information. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then enter screen lock password. Then tap on OK. See the message developer mode has been enabled. Go back, then go down. Now under about phone we can find new option called developer options. Tap here. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me select one option. So I am going to enable this USB debugging. Tap here, tap on OK. This way we can enable USB debugging mode. Later if you want to disable USB debugging mode, you can come here, then tap here and disable USB debugging mode. We can also disable developer options. Here you can see developer options on off switch. We can tap here and turn off developer options. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me verify. Go back. See, now under about phone it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can enable or disable developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.